What's up, guys? It is week 5, day 2. The 3-point ring challenge is what we're doing today. Our unit is fitness, standard number 1, motor skills and movement patterns, learning target to follow the teacher's instructions and do your best. And our higher order thinking question is, how can we improve this game? All right, so the activity, you're going to watch me demonstrate the game. And I'm going to show you all 3 games because I have kids of all ages. You stand behind the towel, so you're going to need a towel like this. Okay, a bath towel. I told you guys last week that you would need one. So yeah, it's the big kind that you take a bath and you dry yourself off. So you're going to put this on the ground. All right. And you're going to throw at the items. If you're in 4th and 5th grade, you're going to throw at the first item for 1 point, second item for 2 points, third item for 3 points. If you're in 2nd and 3rd grade, you're going to throw at the first item for 1 point, second item for 2 points, and if you're in kindergarten, you're going to throw at just the first item for 1 point. Okay? All right, so I'm going to show you the game. So I'm actually going to make myself bigger so you can see. So the items that I'm using are the great big towel, which I'd be better if I had it rolled up, but for speed, I'm just going to throw it down. And I'm going to stand behind that. And I'm going to be throwing a ring at 3 different items for like I said, the older kids, and I'll show you with each grade. We're going to be making this in a minute, so don't be like, oh, I don't have one. You'll have one after we make it, okay? All right, so I'm going to show you how to play. So I've got to move my computer. All right, so, and of course, and you guys are going to want to do this too. I've told you this lots of times. You're going to want to put your computer so I can see the floor, because if I can't see the floor, then I can't see what you're doing. Okay, this is one of those floor games. Okay, and I'm just going to throw my towel down about right here. Now, if I am I'll start with kindergarten and 1st grade. If I'm in kindergarten or 1st grade, I only need 1 item. It could be a can, it could be a bottle. I'm just going to put 1 can right here. Okay, and now I'm throwing my ring, trying to stand behind my towel, throw the ring around the can. Nope. Good try, so that's 0. Try again. Boom! Now I've got 1. Okay? You just keep counting your points. All right? What if I was in 2nd or 3rd grade? Then I would have a 2nd item right here. And now, 1st item, so I'm back to 0, okay? Because now I'm in 2nd grade. 1st item is still 1 point. So yay, Yay, I have 1 point. But now I can throw past that and try to get it around the 2nd bottle that I have there. Good try. You want to throw it like a frisbee. So let's pretend it went around the bottle. Then I would have 2 points, then 2 and 1 is 3. Okay? Oh, but if you're in 4th or 5th grade, maybe I want to get something like this. Put it here. Now that item is worth 3 points. Okay? So if I can throw all the way past everything and get around that, it's very tough. Then that would be 3 points. Okay? And then if I get it around the bottle, that would be 2 and 3 is 5. If I get it around the can, that would be another point. That would be 6. And you just add your points like that. Okay? So every grade level has a different number of items that you're trying to throw around. Okay? Which I will show you again. All right? And then I'm going to show you how to make your ring. Okay? So we're going to go back to making me small again. Okay, so once again, 4th and 5th grade, you're throwing to 3 different items. First item, 1 point. Second item, 2 points. Third item, 3 points. 2nd and 3rd grade, you're throwing around the first item for 1 point, second item for 2 points, and then kindergarten and 1st, you're just throwing at one thing, and it'd be 1 point. Okay? Now, how do we make the ring? Let's take a look. So you've got to find 3 pieces of paper and tape. So just like this, you need to, and they don't have to be notebook paper, they can be any kind of paper, but you need 3 of them like this. 1, so I'm going to make myself big. You can see. You need 1, 2, and 3 pieces of paper. And then you need any kind of tape that you have. I'm using masking tape because that's what I have, but Scotch tape is good. Any tape, shipping tape, whatever you got. So this is a good day, you know, maybe to talk to mom and dad and or whoever, whatever adult you're with, and say, hey, I need 3 pieces of paper, tape, and then you just need something to stand behind. You guys saw I was standing behind a towel. And then you need your items, which hopefully you saved some of them. So you're going to want, if you're, like I said, 4th and 5th grade, you're going to need 3 items. Like I've got a bottle here. You need 3, right? Or it could be a bottle and a can and something else. 2nd and 3rd grade, you're going to need 2. And kindergarten, 1st, you're going to need 1. So why don't you stop the video and go get those 3 items now. Your 3 pieces of paper. See? Your tape, and then your items that you're going to throw the ring around, okay? So pause the video and go get those things now. All right, I'm going to assume you went and got those. So now I'm actually going to show you how to make your ring, okay? And of course a ring for this is a lot like a Frisbee, but it's better because if you had a Frisbee, you couldn't throw it around a bottle. It would hit the bottle. So you're throwing, it's different, okay? So I'm going to take I'm going to take 2 of these pieces of paper and just set them to the side. I've got my tape to the side. And now I'm going to start rolling. You don't want to roll this way because we're trying to make our ring big like this. So this is what one looks like when it's finished. You don't want to make, it'll be smaller if you roll this way. So you may have learned in kindergarten, 1st grade, this is what we call the hot dog fold. This is the hamburger, I'm sorry, I'm the opposite. This is the hot dog way that's short this way, and this is the hot dog way that's long this way. You want to do it hot dog way, okay? So we're going to roll it hot dog way, which of course, because it looks like a hot dog. So you're going to just keep rolling. I'm going to do this as fast as I can, guys, because I want you, and we're making a video here, so I'm going to go quick. But you take as long as you need, but I'm going to go real fast. And of course, you can stop the video and watch it again. All right, so I got my 1 piece of paper ready. And same thing. I'm going to go a little faster this time. I'm rolling up my paper. Roll, roll, roll. Kind of like you're rolling up a carpet, a rug or something. And then you push it down, kind of smush it. And now you got the 2nd one ready. Now, remember, we're turning this way. Going to roll, roll, roll the 3rd piece up. Okay. And then smush it and then set it. So now I've got 3 ready to go right here, right? 1, 2, 3. Now, what I like to do, and this is strictly up to you, what I like to do is take 3 pieces of tape, which is what you're going to need, about 2 inches long, okay? About this long. And just put it on the table like that, because then when you're ready for it, it'll be ready. Okay, that's what I like to do. You do you. If you want to wait and get out the tape when you actually put it on, you can do that. Okay? But we're about to start taping. Okay? And like I said, if you're doing this right now while I'm already taping and you're still folding, that's fine. Just be ready. Just get done when you get done. Okay? But I'm going to tape the first 2 pieces of paper together. So I take the end of this one and the end of this one, put them on top of each other, and then I'm going to put the tape on around it. So I start right here, and the tape is going to go all the way around and tape down right there. Okay? So I got the first 2 taped together. Then I go to the end of this one, and I'm going to take my 3rd piece of paper, and I'm going to tape it on top of that. Okay, so I put it, and make sure you make a straight line with these. Don't go like that. That's going to be a problem. You want to keep it straight. All right, so now I'm going to make the tape go all the way around this one. All right, all the way around. So this is kind of like art and PE. Art, PE, PE, art, but it will be PE very soon, and you know that because you saw what the game's going to be. Now, Not done yet, it's not a ring. So I've got to take my ring and fold it around and take the first piece and stick it to the last piece. So now I take the tape and go all the way around. You guys can tell Miss Smith that you did art in PE. All right, maybe someday you'll do PE and art, or music and PE, or whatever, art and music. Sometimes you use more than one. All right, so anyway, now I've got my ring, okay? And I'm ready to go. And then I would go play the game, okay? So that is what we're doing, okay? So go ahead and pause the video and finish making your ring, go play the game, and then after you're done with that, and if you're with your parents, I would play for about 15 minutes and then come back and start the video again at this point, and then we'll have our closing meeting. So pause the video, finish making your ring, and play the game now. All right, I'm assuming that you did that. I hope you had fun. How many points did you get? Very good. So hope you were keeping up with your points so you're able to tell me. So that's it. We've made it, we played the game, and now, like we always do, we're going to look at our HOTS question, which is for higher order thinking skills question. How can we improve this game? So you're going to want to talk to an adult about that, and hope you guys come up with some cool ideas. So I'm not going to tell you what, but I had first grade just now. They had some really cool ideas, it's, just anything you can do to make the game more fun. All right, let's talk about that, and I hope you guys have a good rest of the day. I will see you next time for Online PE.